Hi, my name is Jeffrey. I'm a digital nomad and I have my company in Estonia doing some affiliate marketing. And I was having some problems with my Google Ads campaigns. They weren't really successful. So that's where I went out on the look for help and I encountered Devin Thomas. And I immediately could feel that he is the top expert that I needed. And what makes him stand out is that he acts from passion. He has this passion to really help people getting successful with their Google Ads, other than just a guy who's out there to make some money. So immediately I decided to join his course, and I must say his course is amazing. It is the best course that I've ever bought on Google Ads, and I can only recommend it, especially also for the price. I think he could easily ask twice as much, and then it still would be very cheap. So now there's even version 2 that's even better, even more complete. And next to that, he also offers the community where you can ask your questions, and then mostly he answers them with a personal video. It's also nice that you can see what other people are doing and what other issues they have, and then you can learn from each other. And he has the monthly group coaching where you can just join, and then he gives you some one-on-one advice with also other people in there. So again, you can learn from each other and you can get personal advice from Devin. It is amazing. I can only recommend it. He's the best guy out there. If you have any doubts on joining his course, I would say don't. Just do it. Just join. And yeah, be successful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.